Hi, I'm Owen. Now before the video starts, I just let you know that I'll be planning to do a Q&A video once I hit 1,000 subscribers. We already hit 900, so now on the road to 1,000. Now I'm gonna tell you guys how you can ask me any questions you like to do. Sure, yeah, you can do it in any video that's reasonably uploaded, but there's another way, and here we're gonna do that. So you go to my channel, you go to post, and when you find like a post that's just said Q&A, go to the comment section and you can ask any question you'd like to ask me. And I'll be answering any of those questions once I hit 1,000 subscribers. Anyways, on to the video. I'm Owen and this is a NECA Good Guys Chucky figure. Now this is a figure I've been wanting to get for a long time. Until now I finally got my hands on it. Now I'm aware there are at least newer ones like the Chucky TV series one and the Child's Play 2 one, but I'm always have my fans of the original version of this. Anyways, what's with it? I mean, I like the way it just opens like that. We can see the whole figures and accessories. Let's get on with it. Alright, we got them out of the box, and I like the way it comes with a Good Guy box. That's pretty sick. I'm gonna try to see if I can. See if I can put this together. And then we can put them in later on. Anyways, let's get on like to figure it out. Cover. It's pretty crazy how I finally got this figure in my hands. Now we got his Child's Play 3 for Child's Play head. And look at that. I like the way he get the slice hand face. Now this is his Curse of Chucky version. And now look closer to his face, you can see they did a not really good job with his stitches, as you can see here. Like, yeah. But then again, it looks pretty nice. I like the way his hair is like more of a, it's all banged up like that. This one is his, I believe this is the original Child's Play version. Human Chucky face, head. You can tell it looks different than all the others, as you can see here. It comes with his extra hands. I believe this is like the hands where he holds stuff. Well, they're actually completely different. Hold on. Yeah, I think this is the right hand. Because the hands of the figure, this right now, like something you can hold the knife, but we get to that later. And this one's different because this one you can hold the gun, the pistol, handgun. This one is representing Child's Play 2, where he ripped his hand off and replaced it with the knife, which is this knife right here, the yardstick. And we have the handgun from earlier. Yeah, he had a baseball bat. I don't remember him. Oh wait, I think he used in the first one. This is a knife he used in Child's Play 3. And I think he used this knife in I believe in the original or Curse of Chucky, I think. I think this is the, whatchamacallit. It's like, this is the thing where you do, where the barber is like slicing your head or something when he's doing like your line or something. But yeah, this is the thing where I don't know what it's called, but let me know in the comments below what it's called. But yeah, this is where he killed the barber in Child's Play 3. The Good Guy hammer that he used to knock Aunt Maggie off the building. And one of my favorite weapons, his voodoo knife, which I think this is a knife I like Of all the knives I saw, this is the one I like the most because look at that. And before we talk any more things, I want to talk about his size. Like, this is a Goku Black Dragon Ball Flash figure. And look at that. And you can see the size comparisons. And this is a Dragon Star Dragon Ball Diamond Mini Vegeta. I mean, without his hair, if you remove his hair piece, Chucky still is taller than a Mini Vegeta. Alright, let's see if I... there. Oh! Hey guys, I was able to get off with some pliers. I'm gonna use this with this. Oh, put it back. Put it back in. But then again, that was weird. I don't think it was. Alright, I think it's on right. Hold on. Hold on. Well, I'm able to get a hit. It was difficult, I mean. But then again, I'm pretty sure once I get his head off, that bolt thing's gonna pop out of his body, whatever. That's where the pliers comes in. Anyways, that was that. I'm gonna use that. Use this hand later on, but I'm gonna see if let's give him his voodoo knife. It's not what I put in. Hold on, hold on. Right there you go. This is voodoo knife. Yeah, but then again, you can change this in many times. Like this, for example, or like this. And one of the interesting combos is, ow. Does not want to go in that way. Ooh, look at that. Look at the paint. There we go. No, that's sick. But I'm gonna leave it with this head because I just love how he looks in his head. And personally, I love how he looks in the first film where he looks more humanoid. Yeah, anyways, I'm gonna put him in this box. Close that there. He's in it. Imagine you're in a toy store and you're expecting like a face like this, and you end up seeing this face. I mean, I could put all this. As for the accessories, I'm not gonna do that because I don't want the video to be way too long. So yeah, I think that'll be it for you guys. If you guys like it, make sure you guys like it, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. So I'm Spradling here, and I'll see you next time. See ya.